Hello everyone, it's your girl Shirley. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Now today I have a tour of my master bedroom and bathroom. Let's go in. I hope you enjoy and find some inspiration. Okay, my bedroom set came from a local store, Family Furniture. I initially wanted something gray, but it wasn't available, so I went with something classic. And this will last me for some time. No matter if the style changed, this will still remain. Okay. From this angle, you could see my dresser and mirror. Back in Jamaica, we say dresser here. They say dresser and mirror. So it's two separate pieces. Now I have here, you can see my candle holders. They came from Ross. Quite glam. The candle came from Home Goods. Here I have a fragrance diffuser in the form of a duck, and that came from Burlington. It had a little peach and white color right there. My tray that contains all my accoutrements, my perfumes, my lip gloss and body lotions is from Burlington. The floral arrangement was done by me. It's not perfect, but it works for me. I got the florals from Home Goods, and these poinsettias. I know it's not Christmas, and poinsettias are associated with Christmas, but I think the blush pink silver works well, and so I brought it out. Now these poinsettias came from Michael's, sorry, and here you see the fragrance diffuser here, right? The fragrance diffuser with a little greenery on it in the form, I say duck, it's not a duck, it's a swan. Okay, and here you see my up close and personal with my candle holder, Glam from Ross, and my tea looking candle came from Home Goods. Now this is me. I always dress comfortable at home. I'm not going to put on a face for YouTube, but this is how I normally dress. Comfortable. Let's move along. Let's go from this area. You could see the curtain panels came from a local store, DD's Discount. And I initially put two florals, but I decided to put the teal in the middle. My lamp came from Amazon, and let me see here. I have a jewel box with my initial on it that came from Burlington. I have this decorative mirror tray that came from Burlington. These books, prayer books and diaries, came from Burlington. This decorative bead is from Hobby Lobby, and then this hourglass is from Burlington. Now this is a photo of me about, I think it was 2008 or 2007, with one of my past students, Britannia. I was teaching at the Avondale Prep School at the time, and it was pageant. So we took this photo together. Our grandmother did this plaque for me. The quilt came from Amazon. As you can see, I'm going with this teal kind of bluish color, and an accent color is peach there, whatever you want to call it, peachy. So here, my bed sheets, the color came from Ross. These decorative pillows, the teal and the blue, came from Ross. This decorative pillow here came from Home Goods. My throw here came from Home Goods. And I forget to mention, right here in the corner, I have a basket. This is where I keep my extra pillows and throws. Right there. I don't really, when I'm ready to sleep, I take off everything and pack them on top of this right here. Okay. So let's move around. Here we have, on this side, in front of the bed, my chest of drawers. and the TV. I decided not to mount the TV on the wall because I'm a person who constantly change the arrangement of my room. So putting it on the wall, I would have to move it every time. So it's easier for me resting right there. Okay. And then we go to this corner. I have this floral arrangement. The vase came from, I think, Ross. And those florals came from Hobby Lobby. I have a vase right there too that came from Ross. This picture on the wall came from Ross. It ties in a bit with my theme. I know it's a bit coastal, but it's gonna have to work for the time being. Now right here is a bit blank, but I have 2 armchairs that I ordered that are coming for this. You know, it's a pandemic, so you have to wait a while before you get things. So on this side, I have a decorative rug there. You know, the rooms are carpeted, the bedrooms are carpeted, so I don't need much of a rug. But just for decorative purposes, I place one there. Now, this is my husband's side of the bed. That's his initial. TV remote. Fragrance infuser. A room spray. The decorative beads from Hobby Lobby. The hourglass. Normally, he would have a can of Lysol spray here. He's obsessed with spraying the bed before he lies down. So, but I remove it for the purpose of this video. So here we have the view. I can open it and see. Oh, let me show you. When I do that, the room is quite a bit dark, but this is how it looks. So for lighting purposes, I'm gonna kind of pull it back a bit. So this is what you see. And I'm going to enter my master bathroom. Here I have the water closet. I have this stand right here, which I'm going to remove shortly and place some shelves. I have this picture right up here. I have air freshener, some greenies right here, and I have 2 little glam candle holders right there. So this is what my garbage bin and stuff to hold my tissue right there. So please ignore the razor right there. So I'm going to turn around. I'm going to come. I have the floral arrangement right here. It was a bit low for me, so I went for this little stand that I had. It may look a bit tacky to some, but I love it. It works for me until I can find something better to put there. This will have to stay. It works for me. It may not work for you, but it's my home and this is what I like. So on the top here, I have this floral arrangement. I have 2 of them. My windows, there are no curtains in the bathroom. I have not decided to put any there as yet because the blinds are there. The windows are kind of frosted, so no one can see me from outside. Moreover, the blinds are always down. And so here's the other picture arrangement right there. The other picture wall decor. So this was my inspiration for decorating the bathroom and the master bedroom. That here, and so I chose the peach color there as my accent color. So here you have the shower in this area. And then over here you have the bath tub in this area. I have some stuff I use in the bath. Yeah, all the other accoutrements that are there, bath gel, bath bombs, and stuff like that. Stuff to scrape off all the callus or the dead skin off your feet and stuff like that. This tear tray, I got it from Home Goods. This floral arrangement was from Ross. This palm plant came from Burlington, and if you see up there, there's a little peaceful seascape, sorry, right there, that I can always look up whenever I'm taking a bath. And I don't know how this ties into the room, but it's there. And here I have a stand. This is where I keep most of the stuff that we use in the bathroom. It's not properly arranged right now, but it has to stay because there's stuff that is used all the time, and then when you're putting back stuff, you don't normally put them back in the same order in which is what it was. Now, this is my vanity. My vanity is like this. It has no drawers. There are no drawers there, so I cannot store anything in there. I could put some trays and put stuff underneath it and get this out of the way, but for the purpose of my husband, who, if he doesn't see it in front of him, he's not looking, so I left it there. So let's go to the vanity, and this is my candle wax warmer, and my paper towel is right there. This is a cake stand that I use there to elevate my greenery. I have a tray there, vanity tray right here, and this is my greenery. I got this from Burlington. And then below here I have some other accoutrements that I use. It's not perfect. You're not gonna see a spick and span bathroom because this is something that we use every day. Here at the top you see my clock. Yeah, I'm also obsessed with clock. I have a clock or two in every room. My sister can tell you about it. And here I have my towels, keeping it quite simple. You see there my accent color right there. I'm going to turn around, and this is my rug in front of the vanity there. That's the rug in front of the bath, and that's the rug in front of the shower. So it's keeping it simple. So I'm going to give you a 360 view of everything here. This is my bathroom. This is my space. I'm showing it to you. And I'm gonna go here. Taking it from there. So this is how everything looks. I'm gonna give you a final view of my bedroom. And here we go. Here we go. From this angle. This is how something looks. So here's everything. Final look. And I'm gonna go this way. That way. And here. I'm gonna go there. So looking a little bit dark right there. Okay, the sun has gone down, so my lighting has somewhat decreased, but it's good. It's good. I love my bed. It's quite comfortable, cozy. And this is me. My bedroom, master bedroom for spring 2022. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, be good. Love you.